Hello guys and welcome to our channel. HarmonyOS was initially debuted on 2nd of June, and right after the launch, Huawei officially began to install this new operating system in its flagship devices through the beta program. HarmonyOS is a microkernel-based software that is designed to work seamlessly among different Huawei devices. The third-party mobile makers can also adopt this operating system due to its open source capabilities. In following weeks, the HarmonyOS maker expanded the beta testing for more Huawei smartphones, including Huawei Mate 20 and P30 series. However, HarmonyOS is still a development product and its developers were surely ready to make any changes required to improve the overall user experience. Therefore, the users' feedback collected during the beta testing and from general consumers is crucial and very important. Related to HarmonyOS, the company has released the latest HarmonyOS feature update for users, and it comes with a bunch of new software changes and a new few additions. According to the information, the Huawei P40 was the first recipient of this major software changes that latter approached to do very quickly to more devices including Mate 40, Mate 30 and more. Let's explore these latest HarmonyOS features in details. First comes the control panel gesture. The new control panel already has major advantages over any quick setting panel, but the company has added a new gesture feature to ease the process of some of its task handling. Users can now swipe left and right side while control panel is opened and jump directly to the notification center. From there, user can swipe left or right to jump back to the control panel. With this new gesture feature, user will achieve direct access to both control panel and notification center altogether. Second comes to multi-mode camera. The new multi-mode camera is powered by distributed capability of HarmonyOS that is deeply built on its kernel. It allows users to take pictures from different angles. All users have to do is to connect their devices with the same wireless network and take pictures from different platforms. Third comes to new Service Center widget. It has its own importance in HarmonyOS software and enhances the user experience with its atomic service widgets. Yet, the new update brings another widget that enables a new service widget into the Service Center. This widget allows you to view the files of other connected devices during the Super Device feature. Fourth comes to App Assistant. App Assistant is tagged along with the new drop-down status bar in the game. It also has security improvements. Huawei's latest piece of software update improves the system security of HarmonyOS devices and installs the latest security patches. Is more features coming? The answer is yes, but it depends on how much useful feedback Huawei receives and proceeds with them. Furthermore, this year, Huawei has planned to roll out HarmonyOS for over 3 million devices, which includes all types of consumer products as well as services. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, or press the bell icon to subscribe our channel. And don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.